In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk export contacts from Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set the right options so your contact list is ready for reporting, backups, or migration. Start inside your Freshsales account on the Activities dashboard. This is a great neutral home base because it loads quickly and gives you an at-a-glance view of what's happening. From here, you'll move into the area that controls organization-wide tools. Open the Settings menu. You'll usually find this as a gear icon near the top of the screen. Think of Settings as the control room. Anything that affects your overall account, including exports, lives here. Next, choose Account Settings. It's important to land on the account level settings rather than personal preferences, because exports are managed at the organizational level. If you don't see the option, you might not have the required permissions, so you may need help from an admin. Assuming you have access, continue into Account Settings. Make sure the Account Settings section is actually selected on the page. Freshsales can display multiple settings categories in the same area, and it's easy to be viewing a different tab without realizing it. Confirm you're in the account level section so the correct tools appear. Now, open the Export Data option. This is the built-in exporter that compiles your CRM data into a file you can use outside Freshsales. Exports typically produce a CSV, which is ideal because it can be opened in spreadsheets, imported into other tools, and archived for safekeeping. Keep in mind that large exports can take time to prepare, and the availability of certain export features may depend on your role and plan. Within Export Data, choose Contacts as the data type. This tells Freshsales you want people records rather than deals, accounts, or other modules. After selecting Contacts, set your date range. Use the From date to define how far back you want to go, and set the end date to today to ensure you capture the most current records. The date filter narrows which contacts are included, so if you need everything, pick a start date that covers your full history. If you only want recent activity, choose a shorter window. Be mindful of your time zone to avoid off-by-one-day surprises. That's it. You've navigated from your dashboard to Settings, confirmed Account Settings, opened Export Data, selected Contacts, and defined the date range through today. With these options in place, your bulk contact export is configured and ready to generate exactly the dataset you need.